Hello students, this video is just to help you out in case you are using MS Office through your smartphone. So you all must have been downloaded the app from the Play Store. So let's begin with this. Tap on this, start this. You can see a plus sign here. Tap on this. You have three options: notes, lines and documents. You have to create a document. Out of this, select blank workbook. This much you already know, I think. Now your spreadsheet is ready to work in this you have to double tap when you want to write something. So we are practicing for generating a series. So my first column is serial number. First I will write the first number and then the second number. I will select both the numbers. Once I have selected, see what happens on the top. You can see a bar here where you have the fill option. Tap on this fill option. Now see your circles have converted into bold dots. Drag these dots to fill your series. Okay, so this way you can use this option in mobile also, the way you want to use it. The second series I am taking for days. So first I write the heading by double tap. You have to double tap when you write inside the cell. So write days. My first day is Monday, so write Monday. Now what I have to do, I told you that select this, I have to fill this. So again when I tap on this, I get again that bar. I can select fill option here. My dots are converted to the bold dots. I can fill this way. I hope you have understood how to use it for everything. Suppose I have taken more than requirement, I can draw back this way, this much and this much I can clear back. Now how to clear this? I have a clear option here. So use these bar options also here. Once your work is done, you can save your document. And most of the children are, what are they doing? The mistake they are doing is they are not saving it properly. So how to save it in a proper manner? Once your work is finished, the work is to save your file. You have three dots here. Go to this. This is giving you option save as. Tap on this save as option. And this device, documents, and it is asking for name also. See here on the bottom. Tap here. Keyboard appears. Erase this and give your own name. Like I am taking Sadbir's name. Sadbir, class 7th L. So this way Sadbir can save his file with his own name. Understood? Now it is turn to share. How to share it? I will just share this file by tapping on this share WhatsApp, and which group I am going to share, that I will decide here and then send it this way. So I hope this is all clear to you, how to use Excel on mobile phone. Every day few children are asking me for this problem, so I have cleared it now. Thank you children.